guys? Welcome back to another daily review. Today's Wednesday, April 12th, 2023. Today, I took two trades, both SPY puts, made about $54 in the day. First trade was in the red, second trade made my money back. So, yeah, let's get right into it. Today, I believe we had CPI news that come out. I think it came out at 5% in the month of March. So that's pretty big news from an economic standpoint. And if we look at the daily chart here on the SPY, yesterday we had like an indecision candle here. And then the previous couple of days we had a strong bounce off the support level, like around 406. And then we have some strong resistance here at 412-ish area, along with the daily trend to the downside. So I was expecting perhaps some further resistance, and obviously with the news, it could be a strong bounce off the resistance level. And as we see from the day so far on this daily candle, it is rejecting pretty hard. Um, so if we take a look here, so these are my trades here. Basically, we have the 2 minute, 5 minute, 15, and hourly here. So we have a pre-market low of 409.50. Pre-market high, I guess, is not showing in my screenshot here. It's around like 413.75 ish, around there. And I also have a supply zone here at 412. So market opens at this candle here, and I'm noticing right off the bat at the supply zone some weakness. I really considered taking this trade to the downside. Kind of wish I did. I'm not gonna lie. I have some FOMO, but at the same time, with my strategy, is a little too soon for me to take the trade. I try to at least wait for some sort of pattern to see where the market is heading for the day. Um, yeah, but yeah, like even if you look at the 5 minute, like it's really rejecting off the supply zone very nicely, and then it took a nice sell off. Had I taken this trade, I would have called it a day and taken my profits, but it's all right. So the game plan was for me. I wanted to see the sell off and then go back up, and if it rejects the supply zone, then I'll take the entry. And uh, I did just that. My first trade, I entered in this candle here, uh, and then it quickly started to reverse. So I got a little scared and I exited. And then as soon as I see this big sell off in this candle, like okay, I think it's going to make the move now. So I entered, and then I scaled out eventually in this candle and in this candle. However, I am a little, uh, not pleased with myself as far as exiting this in this candle because this is right now is showing the full candle after it closed, but I didn't wait for it to close. Instead, I waited kind of halfway through to the candle, and then I decided to take my profits from there. I think my thinking was because the low of the day was here, and I guess I was a little scared that it'll bounce back off the low of the day, acting as a support. So I decided to just take my profits. But it went further more. Kind of wish I held a little bit more. That's all right. You can't capture the whole thing. At least I got a piece of it. So um, that's pretty much it. Yeah, I took two trades. Should, looking back, obviously, I kind of wish I just held it, but it was approaching my stop loss, and I got a little scared. I just got out. But luckily, I got in just in time to capture that quick move down. Go to my journal here. Yeah. So as far as our multiple goes, it's pretty good. Kept it under won the first trade, so I'm happy about that. Ended up making a 2.4 R, so pretty decent. Um, you know, so yeah, I mean, I guess as far as mistake goes, maybe I entered too early, or I got faked out, but it's all right. And then as far as the second trade goes, is where I made my money back and a little bit more. Planned a 5.8 R. Wow. Ended up making a 4.5 R. That's really, really good. So I'm really happy about this trade here. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the day. Yesterday, just FYI, I didn't take any trades. I didn't really see a good setup for me. Knowing that obviously with CPI coming out today, kind of wanted to wait anyway to see what happens today and tomorrow and Friday should be interesting as well. Let's see how the market reacts after the news comes out. So yeah, that's it for me today. Thank you again for watching and listening, and hope you guys enjoy the rest of your day. And I'll see you in the next one.